So summer 2023 is winding down and the real estate market here in the Cleveland area is on fire. No, literally it's a dumpster fire. The market is kind of all over the place right now and nothing really makes much sense. The inventory is mostly down, but the number of buyers actively looking for homes is also down. Interest rates are way up, yet home prices in most of the area are also up year over year. So let's take a look at some numbers and see where we are and where we might be headed. Hi, I'm George Poporad with eXp Realty, and today we're going to take a look at the latest info on the real estate market for here in the Cleveland area to help you understand what is going on. Now, I'm going to be focusing mostly on the west side because that's where I live, and these are the areas that I regularly track and know really well. But if you're looking for information on a specific area, please reach out and I'd be happy to share that info with you. So starting off in Cuyahoga County, the number of active listings, which is how many single family homes were on the market in July of this year versus July of 2022, is down about 18% overall. Throughout the year, the number of active listings was bouncing up and down. Some months there were more listings than there were last year, other months there were less. Nationally, inventory levels were down about 13.5% year over year. But let's take a look at a couple of individual suburbs and see where things are. New listings in North Olmsted were down 15%. Brecksville was down 33%. Westlake was down 38%. And new listings of single-family homes in Lakewood are down 61% from the same time period last year. The number of single-family homes coming on the market is down, so obviously the number of homes going under contract is going to be down as well. Cuyahoga County pending single-family homes were down about 29% from July of 2022 to July of this year. Nationally, pending single-family homes are down about 15.5% from 1 year ago. And taking a look at a couple of individual suburbs, we are seeing the same thing. Pending single-family homes in Rocky River are down 8%. Broadview Heights is down 11%, Avon Lake is down 36%, and pending single-family homes in Bay Village are down 50% from the same time period last year. Real quick, if you are taking anything away from this video, please hit that like button and subscribe to my channel here on YouTube. I do try to post new and helpful content regularly. So why are the number of listings on the market and the number of homes going under contract down? Well, there are a lot of people out there that actually want to sell their homes, but there's no inventory for them to move to. Whether they are trying to upgrade or downsize or whatever, there are very few properties for them on the market. So they feel like, I'm just going to stay in my current home until there's more inventory. The problem is there's low inventory because of that situation. It is an endless, frustrating cycle. Another reason we are seeing fewer homes going under contract on a monthly basis is that homes are tending to sit a bit longer on the market before they sell. Overall in Cuyahoga County, homes are selling about 6% slower than they were 1 year ago. So while there are fewer homes hitting the market, they are selling at a much slower pace, and we are seeing price reductions on a daily basis. Now, taking a look at a couple of area suburbs, single-family homes in Strongsville are selling about 21% slower. Broadview Heights homes are selling about 26% slower, while homes in Avon and Avon Lake are selling about 29% slower than they were last year. So now what is really going on? Well, mortgage rates have continued to increase. The average 30-year mortgage interest rate shot up over 7% recently. 15-year fixed rates you could find in the mid-6s. In the short term, this is bad news for home buyers looking to enter the late summer housing market. However, in the coming months with inflation easing, many experts believe we will see lower interest rates as we enter the fall and winter months. So the number of listings coming on the market and going under contract is down. The number of active buyers out there is also down. Interest rates are up. Homes are sitting on the market longer, and we are seeing price reductions happen on a regular basis. So just how are all these factors affecting home prices? Well, for the most part, home prices are up year over year. Overall in Cuyahoga County, taking a look at the median price point. Again, the median price point is the price that sits right in the middle. 50% of homes sold above that price point and 50% of homes sold below that price point. The median price of single family homes in Cuyahoga County is up 4% year over year. Looking again at some individual cities, Westlake home prices are up about 3%. North Olmsted home prices are up about 6%. Bay Village is up 10%. And single-family home prices in Lakewood are up 17% from the same time period last year. Overall, while homes are sitting on the market longer and we are seeing price reductions happen pretty regularly, nicely updated homes in desirable areas are still selling pretty quickly, with many going at or above asking price. If you're considering buying a home right now, even though interest rates are up and inventory is down, you might be wondering if it's actually a good time to buy. I always say this, but yes, buying a home is an investment, but it's also a place to live, a place to raise a family, and a place to make memories. So if you have a steady job and stable income, you have savings for a down payment and a specific area that you want to settle down in, then buy now, if it makes sense for you. If you're wondering about selling your home, the numbers still show that we're in a seller-friendly market. It is just much more balanced than it was a year ago. But if you're thinking it might be time for you to sell, reach out. Let's have a conversation to see if making a move right now might make sense for you. If you're thinking about buying or selling a home here in the Cleveland area, or if you just have some real estate or home-related questions, I would love to help guide you through the process. So feel free to reach out. You can call, text, or email me, but let's just have a conversation to see if making a move right now might make sense for you. Thanks for watching.